Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you full body skin rendering tutorial. Now quickly moving to the product I've used. Let's start with the video now. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो, क्योंकि मैं स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक सब कुछ दिखाऊंगी एंड वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा. दैट्स द रीज़न आई हैव टू डिवाइड इट इनटू टू पार्ट्स. ओके, द पेपर आई यूज्ड हियर इज़ द ब्रास्टो वाटर कलर पेपर और मैं यहाँ पे फ्री हैंड ड्राइंग कर रही हूँ गाइज. एंड इफ़ यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन मेकिंग क्रोकीज ड्राइंग यू कैन, इट्स कम्प्लीटली ऑप्शनल. एंड मैं यहाँ पे फैशन फिगर्स बना रही हूँ एज यू कैन सी. The main reason for making this tutorial is for those illustrators who are making western wear illustrations. Yes, जब भी आप कोई शॉर्ट ड्रेसेस या कुछ भी बनाते हो काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट होता है कौन से एरियाज़ को शेड्स करना और कौन से एरियाज़ को हाईलाइट करके दिखाना, हाउ टू मेक स्किन मोर रियलिस्टिक. So I thought to come up with a dedicated video, and here it is. So likewise I made 3 more fashion figures as you can see. यहाँ पे मैं चारों के चारों फैशन फिगर्स के फेशियल फीचर कर चुकी हूँ. ओनली द लास्ट वन आई केप्ट फॉर शोइंग यू गाइज हाउ टू मेक फेशियल फीचर्स लाइक आईज, ईयर्स, नोज एंड लिप्स. Now from the left to right I'm going to start with my first fashion figure, and for that I'm using this Copic charm markers and the shade is pale fruit pink. Now moving to my second fashion figure, the marker shade which I used is dark sun tan. Now for the people who don't own any kind of skin tone markers, you can use a Faber-Castell Connector pen. It has skin tone sketches which act as a marker on watercolor paper as well as on ivory sheets. You can use it. And for the third, the shade I used is Barley Beige, which I mostly use. And for the fourth, I use the shade Copper. And for my last fashion figure, I use the shade Tea Rose. Moving to my first fashion figure, here I'll be using a Maped color pencil. The shade is Blush. I'll be simply coloring the body. As you can see, I love coloring on top of the marker, especially while skin rendering. I do it every time. Here I used white color for blending. As this is a fair skin tone, so I am coloring on selected areas, as you can see. Now here I used woody brown for shading and contouring the skin. Just gentle light strokes while doing contouring and shading. You don't need to be more harsh. So now for blending, I use two color pencils over here. One is the white color, as you can see, and second one is the blush shade from a Maped color pencil. Just look carefully the areas which I am contouring. Okay, now I used a Flow Pink shade for blush, and also I used it for light shading on the body. Starting from the facial feature, here I used Faber-Castell Connector pen. The shades are not mentioned, and I'll be doing eyebrows and eyes. Here I used a black pen. Now for the eye color, I use this warm neutral shade from Faber-Castell Connector pen. Now for the lips, I use this baby pink sketch pen. Now for the hair, I use the same brown sketch pen for coloring it. giving a little shade to the hair with the help of black pen. Moving to a second brown tone fashion figure. So here I used blush shade for coloring it. Here for shading and contouring I used burnt sienna shade. For blending excessive shading and contouring I used blush shade. Basically the marker act as a base skin color, and on top of it if you just use a color pencil it will look more realistic. Here comes the facial feature guys, which is completely similar to the first one. There is no difference, no extra product used. Here comes the hair. Now for the hair I use this chocolate brown sketch pen for coloring it. At last shading with the help of black pen.